Colorful cute kids.
Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw and make Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep stickers. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Peppa Pig. I start with her nose, then her face and ears just like this. Next, I draw her eyes and her big, happy smile. Now, let's draw her body like this. Beside her, I'll draw Suzy sheep. I start with her face and her two little ears. Then, I add her eyes and her cheerful smile. Now, I draw Suzy's body. It's time to color. I'll use this light pink watercolor to paint Peppa's skin just like this. Now, let's draw their outfits. First, I'll give Peppa a crown towel. Then, I'll draw her a beautiful dress with wings at the back. Let's add her shoes like this. And of course, a magic wand. Now for Suzy's dress. First, I'll draw a cute bow right here. Then, I draw a lovely dress and a pair of shoes for her. Time to paint. First, I use red for Peppa's dress. For Suzy's dress, I'll use a light purple color. Now, let's cut out the drawing. Watch closely and follow along. When using scissors, be very careful. Or better yet, ask an adult for help. Once we've cut out all the pieces, we'll start assembling. First, I glue Peppa Pig's dress onto her body just like this. Next, I attach the crown to Peppa's head. Then, I stick the magic wand in her hand. Now, let's finish Suzy's sheep sticker. First, I glue her dress onto her body. Then, I attach her shoes. And finally, I stick the bell on her head. So cute. We're almost done. And there we have it. Great job! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!